Okay, converting a decimal to a fraction. We're going to have an easy, a medium, and a hard one. And I warn you, the hard one is really hard, but you're smart and you can hopefully figure it out. Okay, easy. zero point 0.7 is equal to something over 10. Right? Because it's 1 to the right of the decimal point, the answer is 7 over 10. Way back when you were in first grade, you learned that when we write a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 5, 6, 7, each place means something. That's 4 chunks of 1. That's 3 chunks of 10. That's 2 chunks of 100. That's 1 chunk of 1,000. And then when you got to third or fourth grade, you learned that 0.5 means 5 out of 10, because it was 1 to the right of the decimal point, 5 out of 10. Then you learn that that means 6 out of 100, and that means 7 out of 1,000. So the place in relation to that wonderful decimal point, I'm going to make it so big, I'll be as big as can be, that one that's right there determines what it's a fraction of. So 0.7 is 7 out of 10, right? 0.6 would be 6 out of 10. And now we move along to a slightly harder one. I'll call it medium. In a medium problem, you have 0.28, and it's not really that hard. That's 2 out of 10, but we don't care about that because that's out of 100. So you think of that as a whole unit, and you say that's 28 out of 100. 28 out of 100 is 0.28, because you have the ones place, you have the tenths place out of 10, and then you have the hundredths place. So that's 28 out of 100. Okay? And there's all these medium problems. I could give you a million of them. 0.314 would be 314 over 1,000. Okay? And now we've got ourselves a hard problem. And yes, it is hard, but you will be a smart student if you can say to someone that 0.2828 repeating, I don't mean stopping here, because if I stopped, it would just be a medium problem. I talk about 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28 forever, ever, ever, infinity. And the answer is going to be, when it's repeating, it's 28 out of 99. You can test it on a calculator or at a computer and you'll see it, right? And it's not easy to teach. I'm really struggling how I can teach that to you, because it's best taught by algebra. It's best taught by saying x equals 28 and then saying x equals 28, sorry, 0.2, x equals 0.28282828 repeating, and then saying 100x equals 28.282828, and then when you subtract, you get 99x equals 28, and then you say, how cool is that? X equals 28 divided by 99. But that's hard, and that gets you towards high school, and you're going to get that smart, right? But what you can now do is at least impress some of your friends and family members that if you have any two-digit pattern, like 37, 37, 37, 37, 37, you can tell your friends and family, assuming that this is repeating, which means I'm trying to put a bar over that, right? That 37 repeated, right, would be 37 over 99. If it's a two-digit repetition, it's always over 99. So 0.8484 repeating. See if you can say the answer out loud before I get it to you, right? 0.8484 repeating would be 84 over 99. Okay, hope that helps you get a little smarter, right? And as you get to algebra, you'll understand better the why. Okay, hope